In Excel, you can format the way one or multiple worksheets print by doing either of the following. You can format the worksheet by changing the options on the Page Layout tab, or you can format the worksheet when you're in the Print view in the Backstage. When you use the Page Layout tab to format your worksheet, it will change the layout of the worksheet or sheets you have selected. To select multiple worksheets to format, you can hold down the Control key and select the tabs of the individual worksheets. Or to select a series of worksheets, you can select the first tab and then hold down the Shift key before you select the last tab. Note, you'll have to save your workbook in order to keep any formatting changes you make. To format one or multiple worksheets using the Page Layout tab, first select the worksheets, then select the Page Layout tab. Here, you can change the overall theme, you can change the margins, the orientation of the page, the size of your paper. You can print only a selection of cells by choosing those cells, then going to Print Area and Set Print Area. You can create a page break by clicking the row below where you'd like to break the page, and then choosing Breaks, Insert Page Break. You'll see that the page break is denoted by a dark line. You can enter a background image. You can choose Print Titles to choose which rows to repeat at the top, for example, your heading rows. Here where it says Scale to Fit, you can choose if you want to fit all of your columns on one or multiple pages and or all of your rows onto one or multiple pages. In the sheet options, you can choose to print the grid lines and even the headings for your columns. Note, you'll see all these reflected when you go to File and then Print. Also, you can set many of these options here in the Print Dialogs box. Again, you'll have to save this workbook in order to save all these preferences.